Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another 2025 new drug approval update. On December 12, 2025, the US FDA approved a rapid-acting small molecule nasal spray therapy, CARDAMYST, etripamil, indicated for the conversion of acute symptomatic episodes of paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia, PSVT, to sinus rhythm in adults. This approval represents the first and only self-administered nasal spray for adults with PSVT. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Etripamil, brand name CARDAMYST. This medication was approved by the US FDA on December 12, 2025, and indicated for the conversion of acute symptomatic episodes of paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia, PSVT, to sinus rhythm in adults. PSVT is a type of arrhythmia with episodes of a rapid heart rate starting in areas of the heart above the ventricles. The risk factors for PSVT include alcohol use, caffeine use, smoking. Chemically, etripamil is a lipophilic small molecule with a methyl ester and tertiary amine functionality. Notably, etripamil is a structural analog of verapamil, a 9-DHP calcium channel blocker. Molecular weight of etripamil 452.6 gram per mole. Hydrogen bond acceptor 6. Hydrogen bond acceptor refers to the number of nitrogen and oxygen within the drug molecule. Hydrogen bond donor 0. Hydrogen bond donor refers to the number of OH and NH groups within the drug molecule. Log P 4.14, which is a lipophilicity parameter. The higher log P, the more lipophilic a drug molecule. Polar surface area 72 square angstrom. This medication is available as a nasal spray, 70 mg etripamil per device. Each nasal spray device delivers 2 sprays containing a total of 70 mg etripamil. Per the CARDAMYST prescribing information, do not test the spray, prime, or press the plunger before use. Recommended dosage: initial dosage 70 mg intranasal, 1 spray in each nostril. Repeat dosage if needed. Take a second dose of 70 mg administered as 2 nasal sprays. Do not exceed 140 mg in a 24-hour period. Mechanistically, this medication works as a fast-acting non-diagonal pyridine calcium channel blocker, targeting a L-type calcium influx. By blocking re-entry at the AV node, etripamil can restore sinus rhythm in patients with PSVT. Pharmacokinetically, Tmax, the median time to reach the maximal plasma concentration, is 7 minutes following a single intranasal administration of 70 mg, and the median Tmax is 30 minutes following a second dose of 70 mg. Volume of distribution: 2,200 to 3,500 liters. Protein binding is about 50%. Metabolism: etripamil is primarily metabolized by ester hydrolysis and the CYP3A4 and CYP3A5 enzymes, along with phase 2 conjugation metabolism. Half-life, approximately 2.5 hours. Excretion in the urine, 29% with less than 0.05% as a parent drug molecule. In the feces, 26% with less than 0.05% being the parent drug molecule. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to CARDAMYST or any of its components, heart failure, New York Heart Association NYHA Class 2 to 4, Wolff-Parkinson-White WPW, Long-Gownon-Levin LGL syndrome, or manifest pre-excitation delta wave on a 12-lead ECG, sick sinus syndrome except in patients with a permanent pacemaker, second-degree atrioventricular AV, Morbis 2 block or higher degree of AV block. The most common adverse reactions, greater than 5%, are nasal discomfort, nasal congestion, rhinorrhea, which refers to excessive mucus secretion from the nose, throat irritation, epistaxis, which refer to nosebleed. Here are the key references which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Updates for 2025 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on CARDAMYST prescribing information. This document is freely available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.